Hey everyone and welcome to this Wix website tutorial. Now in this video I will show you how to link to another page on your Wix website. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Now first off, you should decide which kind of element you would like to connect to the other page. In most cases this will be something like a button or maybe an image, and for this example we will indeed be using a button. So obviously you will have to have the multiple pages before you can do this. Now in this example we will be adding a testimonials button on our homepage. So this is my homepage and the testimonial page is looking like this. So let's get to work. Right now we're on the homepage and the first thing we're going to do is to create the item we would like to link or connect to the other page. For me this will be this button. And I would like the button to say view testimonials. So we're gonna press enter, and now this is the button. You can also see that when I add an image, I'm pretty sure this can only be one image and not a whole gallery. Now it cannot be a gallery, so you will have to have one image. So let's say it's my image uploads. I'm gonna drag that. Now it's gonna be the GIF because that's the only file I have uploaded to the store. And now I would like to link this image to, in this case, the testimonials. The process will be the same for the image and the button and basically any element that allows you to link. You simply want to go over to the link icon, click on that, and then there's multiple ways you can go about this. The first way is to select the page. You can then see home, this, about us, general, and all the pages on your website. In this case it would be testimonials. And how does it open, in the current window or in a new window? For me, I would like it to open in the current window, and you can then press on done. Now for view testimonials, this process would be exactly the same. However, there's something else I would like to show you guys. But before I'm going into that, I want to show you how this works right now. I'm going over to the Wix preview, and you can see that when I hover my mouse over this element or image we just created, it actually gets the, the hand of like the mouse cursor. And when you click on that, you will be sent over to the testimonials. So now we have connected or linked our element to another page on our Wix website. Now for the button, it's not doing anything yet. However, I will show you what it can do right now. I actually decided to not show it right now in this tutorial. However, if you would like to learn how to link a button or an element, just like, this image, to a specific part on your page, please feel free to watch this video and you will be set in less than 2 minutes.